Hello everyone, this is Alistair. In this video I'm going to show you how to buy a domain name. It's a very straightforward process. If this is the first time you've ever bought a domain name and you don't know where to go, simply open up your browser, and if you type in domain name registration to your search field, you will get a list of domain name companies who will sell you a domain name to you. Companies like 123reg, GoDaddy, names.co.uk, 1&1, and I think down here somewhere ukreg.com. There are quite a few companies that will sell you these domain names. My preferred choice is 123-reg.co.uk. In the manual section for the domain names, you will find a link which comes to 123reg, but you're free to choose any that you like. The reason why I like 123reg is that once you've got the domain name inside your control panel, then it's really easy to point that at your web hosting, which of course I will show you in another video. This video is purely to buy your domain name. Okay, so let's get started. You would need to type in your search for your domain name in the field here. Because this course is all about online pop-up stores which are easy to create in order to make some money from people who are searching for your products, I'm going to base this one on Mother's Day. So I'm going to do a search for best Mother's Day gifts. This is the domain name that I want to buy. I don't necessarily want it for 2 years. 1 year is absolutely fine for £4.99. And I don't need any other domain names along with it, so make sure you uncheck any boxes which are selected and just add it to your basket. Okay, so that's now added to my basket, and all I do now is I go to checkout. Okay, and here you will have to register your details and fill in your email address, postcode, address, telephone number, click continue. And on the right hand side you will see that your basket says domain name bestmothersdaygifts.co.uk, 1 year, £4.99. And for some reason I seem to have £1,523.99 in my basket, so make sure you always check your order total. I'm going to go back up to my basket to see what else has been added. bestmothersdaygifts.com is a premium domain and it costs £1,265, and of course I don't want that, so I'll just click the little X button and go through to the checkout, and there you go, £5.99 because I have £1 VAT added, and I will now go through and pay. Now you can either pay by direct debit, which means that every year they're going to just take £5.99 straight from your account, or you can pay by PayPal if you have a PayPal account, or if you're like me, you might want to pay by debit and credit card. Okay, so I shall go down, pay by credit card, and then enter your security details, hit submit. And I have now bought a domain name. It's as simple as that. I'm going to uncheck, tell everybody that you've gone and bought a domain name. You can tell people if you want, but I prefer not to. Domain name has now been bought, and within about 5 minutes it will appear in my control panel. It might even be there now. Let's have a look and see if it is here. Yes, it is there. It's there. bestmothersdaygifts.co.uk. So we now own that domain name. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. I'll speak to you soon.